The Xiaomi 12S 5G has a AMOLED display that massive 6.81 inch in size. This smartphone also gets a resolution of 1018 by 2400 pixel, a 20:9 aspect ratio, and a pixel density of 398 ppi. The bezel display has a fan hole for the front camera, while 120Hz is the refresh rate. This smartphone provides a triple camera setup of the back side, 15MP 1.9fps wide-angle primary camera, 13MP ultra-wide-angle camera, 5MP macro camera. The backside other connectivity system, digital zoom, touch to focus, autoflash, HDR mode, face detector also is available. The front camera has a resolution of 16MP. A 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 power up the Xiaomi 12S 5G. Also with the octa-core CPU combined with the Cortex A510X2 and 710. An Adreno 713 GPU along with a RAM 8GB take care of the regular multitasking needed. The Xiaomi 12S comes with inbuilt battery, its long-lasting capacity of 4500 mAh. Its lithium type beside being 67 watt fast charging technology. The storage speed of Xiaomi 12S 5G is 128GB. The connectivity features that have been added to the smartphone Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth B5.2, a GPS, USB Type-C.